Welcome to my channel, Dolanchik. Today I'm going to bake bakali. Bakali looks like chocolate cake and it's very brown, but it's not chocolate cake, it's Uyghur sweet dessert because we are going to use raisins and walnuts. Okay, for this recipe I'm going to use milk and white flour, sugar, this two walnuts and delicious raisins and olive oil. My mom used to use lamb fat plus normal oil, but today I'm just going to use olive oil and baking powder, baking soda, some eggs, a little bowl to measure some of those ingredients, and baking paper. About baking paper, my mom used to use newspaper because we didn't have any baking paper like this, so that was very funny. And baking form, and we need of course oven. Okay, let's begin. This is very simple and easy recipe. As I told you, we need like this little bowl, and you just put sugar in the bowl and almost one full bowl. A little bit more, like this. This almost one bowl. After that, olive oil and half bowl of olive oil, like this. And I'm going to mix this with my hand because in our Uyghur tradition we make a lot of homemade, handmade food, and it's very normal that everybody spends time in the kitchen every day. Of course, you can mix it with the mixer, and when it's well mixed, add the eggs, and I'm going to wash the eggs. We just need yellow piece of the egg, and you can do it like this. Look, if you see like this white pieces, try to remove that from the egg. You can do it like this. I'm not a professional chef, but I try to do my best. Look, it doesn't have white pieces now. I'm going to put 4 eggs. On some eggs you see still like this white pieces, so you can remove it just with your hand. And if you ever notice when you bake the egg, there is a little bit funky, very weird smell on your plate. It's because that white piece in the egg. So try remove that the white piece from the egg. Okay, now I'm going to mix all of them. Now I'm going to put the milk. It's also one full bowl. I put it in. Now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. I'm going to use 1 bowl of white flour. Put it in the bowl and mix it. Now I'm going to cut the walnut like one hand. You will see some big pieces. You should cut them also in small pieces. Next step is raisins, also one hand. Before I cut them, I'm going to wash the raisin. And don't forget to dry the raisin. And cut them in small pieces. Now I'm going to preheat the oven for 180 degrees for 5 minutes. 180 for 5 minutes. And before I mix all the ingredients for the last time, I'm going to prepare the baking form. You can remove the sides from the bottom and put the baking paper on the bottom, and I'm going to oil the sides. Now I'm going to put this on the bottom and close it. And now I'm going to oil the bottom. I'm going to mix all the ingredients for the last time. I put this in the baking form. Now it's ready. I put this in the oven. Let's go! And I put the oven on at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. 45, okay? Be patient. Now you have 45 minutes to do a lot of things. It's walnut, it's very healthy. You can also clean your kitchen or read some books. Clean your mind. I'm going to clean my kitchen. Bakali is ready. I let it cool down a little bit. And as you can see, it looks like this. It's not a chocolate cake, it's bakali. And I'm going to cut it in small pieces. As you can see, it sticks a little bit on the sides, so you can use a spoon and make it loose from the sides. Yay! And the next step, we are going to let bakali dance. So I put this on the bakali and put it down very gently. Look at this. It looks very delicious. Now I'm going to put the plate on the bakali, turn it around, let it dance. Wow, look at this. It looks delicious. My mom used to cut it in squares, so I'm going to do it as well. Cut it in squares. Hi! Bakali is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Rahmat! And I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, consider subscribing to my channel Dolancik and share this video with your friends, families, and see you next week. Bye!